Okay, run.
To your station.
Greetings. What? Oh, hello.
What's up, Dan?
Hey.
Dan, you guys have live action stuff.
I got. Okay. I'll be in the back. Let me go in the back. Look who decided to show up.
Oh yeah, I slept into the last possible second.
Yeah.
As is tradition.
Make sure you stretch.
I actually was looking to see, I don't own a single white shirt.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, you both own not even, and I was telling him, like, you don't even own a white undershirt.
Nope, mine are gray and black.
Well, here we go. All right, folks, you ready?
Ready.
All right, camera's on. Well, here we go. I've been blessed.
Thank you.
Needs more purple, Jay.
Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go. There we go. Right through it.
Well, now I need to go to the right side.
We got him. There we go. Gregory. Hey man. How you doing? Where's your mom? Up there?
She went by.
Oh really? Holy crap, you're up here? Woo! There we go. Purple. There we go. Oh! Yeah. Do it. Woo! Fast. Good. Good job, Jesus. Come on.
Take that.
Keep it up. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh. Thank you. That's it. My limit.
Good job.
Woohoo! Oh. Time to sprint. Gotta sprint the rest. And do it.
You got it.
Give me your blessing.
Yeah. You got it.
All right, here we go. Wow. 36. Thank you.
I didn't even listen to mine.